Okay, so when you have a problem with your Facebook page or Facebook group, as I am today, you can see here this is my buy and sell group, but it's only offering me the option to sell something. The discussion post option has disappeared. So what you do is you go up to this little toggle here, you choose help and support, then report a problem. This gives you the option of giving them feedback or something went wrong. And here I'm going to choose groups. Once I put the details in here, which I've already previously typed up, I've put in here the problem that I'm having, and I'm also going to advise them that I have already tried troubleshooting. I always like to end any correspondence with Facebook in a polite manner, so here I've put thank you in advance for your assistance. I don't know why, but I have found that being polite like this can often help. It only takes a second to add this sentence. Now it recommends that I add a screenshot or a video. I have taken a screenshot so they can see. And now it looks like I'm good to go. Now all I have to do is wait for Facebook to get in touch, and hopefully I will be able to get access. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and I've helped you troubleshoot your Facebook problems.